Hi, how are you? Welcome to ASMR Precious Spa. How may I help you today? Okay, so you'd like to get your makeup done. Alright, so if I may ask, what is the special occasion? Oh, you're going for an important interview. What time is it? 1 o'clock? Oh no, you don't seem to have a lot of time. I mean, it's already 11 o'clock, so we've got to get you started ASAP. Alright, so before we start, what kind of a makeup look would you like? Would you like something dramatic or simple? I mean, obviously, it has to be simple. You are going to an interview after all. Alright, so don't worry, I've got you. Don't panic, okay? You will be right on time for your interview. Alright, so sit back and relax, 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 relax. Breathe, 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 breathe. I'm going to make you look perfect for your interview, okay? Right, okay. So I'm gonna start by pinning your hair backwards, okay? So I'm gonna use these pins. I'm gonna go and pin your hair backwards. Nice one. And I'm also gonna pin this side as well. There we go. Perfect, 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 perfect. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and just sanitize my hands really quickly, okay, before I start touching your face. I'm going to sanitize. Alright. So okay. Okay, so we've got to get to it. We don't have a lot of time. Alright, so I'm gonna start with this primer over here. And I'm going to prime your face quickly. Perfect. Okay, so we don't have a lot of time. I am going to move on with this foundation. This is the full coverage foundation. Alright, so I'm gonna use it. Let me put up against your skin. It's perfect for your skin. Alright, let's open it up. Okay, there you go. Alright, I'm gonna give you that full coverage. Alright, so I'm gonna get the sponges. I've got my beauty blender over here, and I'm gonna just tap, 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 just look up for me under the eyes. Tap, 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 tap. Okay, so I know you don't have a lot of time, but what position are you applying for? Oh, managerial position. Oh no, we've got to make sure that you are looking your best, okay? Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and quickly just blend in that foundation. Blend in that foundation. We are going to quickly shape your eyebrows, okay? Alright, so I've got this eyebrows. I'm going to shape your eyebrows, alright? So just hold still for me. I'm gonna do your other eye. Alright, perfect. Your eyebrows are looking good. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with this brow pencil, okay? Just to shape them, highlight them, and give them some good volume. Alright, so, alright, just hold still for me. Oh, and I use this pencil a lot. As you can see, I'm running out. We are not gonna go for something dramatic, just something simple. Just gonna fill your brow in. Fill it in. Fill it in. I'm gonna do the other side. I'm going to do the other side. I'm going to just fill in your brow. Well done. You're looking amazing. Okay, so now we are going to move on to concealer. Alright, so I've got my concealer here. Going to go ahead and apply it on the brow. We are going to shape the brow with this concealer. And also right here. And then I'm going to use it under your eyes, so look up for me. Okay, other side. Then on your forehead, your chin. Alright, so I'm gonna go in with my beauty blender again and just tap, 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 tap the concealer, tap the concealer, tap the concealer, tap the concealer. Oh my god, we're running out of time. We're running out of time. We really, really need to keep going. We really need to keep going. So, would you like some lashes, or would you just want me to use like normal mascara? Mascara, right? We don't have time. You didn't even bring any lashes. Oh my god. That's okay. Well, don't worry. I'll make you look good. Okay, you're starting to come alive, come alive, come alive, come alive, come alive. I'm gonna go in with a contour stick and I'm gonna contour your face. Okay, right? Okay. All the way down your nose. Okay. I'm going to blend. I'm gonna blend on the side, also this side, and also on the chin. All right, you are starting to come alive like a perfect picture. Okay, you are definitely going to be ready for this interview. All right, now we're going to go in with some eyeshadow. Okay, so what color would you like? Something not dramatic, something subtle, really. All right, okay, so I don't have my brushes here. All right, so I'm gonna use my hands. I'm really sorry. Anyways, let's just keep on going. Which color would you like? Would you like this one, this one, this one? You know what, something simple. We're gonna go for this. Close your eyes for me. I'm really sorry, I don't have any brushes. Wow, okay, you are looking good. All right, so now I'm gonna come in with some translucent powder to just seal the whole look. Okay, look up for me. Perfect. over here. All right. All right, now we are gonna give you a really cute cat eye, okay? Just add a little bit of drama, not too much, don't worry, okay? All right, let's go. We don't have a lot of time. Let's go. On your other eye. Right. Perfect, 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 perfect. You look so. All right, so up next we are going to put some mascara. All right. If I can open this. We are running low on time. All right, just look up for me and blink, blink, blink. Okay, so I'm gonna keep on going. So I really want to extend the eye, you know, since you're not gonna be wearing any lashes. Blink, 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 blink. The other side. Blink, 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 blink. All right, perfect, perfect. We are almost there. We are almost done. All right, so now I am gonna go in with some lipstick, and I really like this color for you. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and put on the lipstick. Perfect, 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 perfect. You look absolutely amazing. Okay, so now I'm just going to seal it all up, you know, just bring everything to life. And I'm gonna put some setting spray, okay? So, and we're going to spray, 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 and we are all good to go. You look absolutely amazing, amazing, amazing. And don't worry, you are going to kill this interview. You have got it, okay? So go out there and shine. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and give this video a thumbs up. I love you so much. See you on my next video. Just go, 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 go. You don't have a lot of time left. Go, go, go. Bye, bye, bye.